Hi, my name is Melissa Sims and I live in Collier County, Florida, Naples, Florida. I was arrested for a fake text, a digitally created text that the state's attorney and the judge and the sheriff's office failed to verify before they issued the warrant and arrested me for a second time based on lies of a known criminal, a known felon, Eric Robert Sims. But anyway, that case was finally dismissed 8 months later, even after they had all of my cell phone records and these records here. This big pile of records, those are Eric's cell phone records that were subpoenaed. They also proved the text was never sent, but yet it took 8 months to get rid of that charge against me. So that was in September of 25. So today is July 29th, 2026, and my mugshot is still up. I have been calling various departments with the Collier County Sheriff's Office, the Clerk's Office, Florida Law Department, this, that, emailing, calling, getting the runaround. And today I finally got a woman who told me, no, they seal the records because my case was dismissed by the state's attorney. They will seal the records within 30 days from the general public. However, they don't take down the mugshot. Well, in the original domestic violence case, Eric lied. He scratched himself and said that I did it. I had to pay tens of thousands of dollars to defend myself against false charges. Same thing with that fake text case. I was found unanimously not guilty, but I still had to pay for the expungement to take down everything. So on this fake case with the fake text, they will not remove my mugshot. I'm going to have to put out more money. So there is a Florida statute. Let me see here. Looks like 943.0595, which states that once a person is found not guilty or the state dismisses or there's some form of acquittal, that the record is then sealed. However, they don't address the mugshot. There is another gaping hole in Florida's law. So I feel like my case with what happened to me is a gigantic either Murphy's Law or cautionary tale about what can go wrong down here in Florida. And there's a lot, let me tell you. But two of the main issues are arresting without verifying digital or AI created evidence. And the other one is, come on, y'all. If a person is found not guilty or you drop the charges, not only should their record be sealed, but all of the photographic evidence, or maybe not evidence, all of the mugshots and such related to that person should automatically come down. I should not have to have more insult to the injury and pay additional money and hire an attorney and go through court again and have a motion to take down my mugshot. Where the heck is innocent before being found guilty? And I've been found innocent anyway, so take it down. Take it down. Florida needs to amend its statutes. And so not only am I going to fight for Melissa's law, I'm also going to fight for an amendment that once people go through this horrible ordeal, such as myself, they shouldn't have to fight to get their photograph, their mugshot taken down. All right, if you could just pass this on to any of your officials here in Florida, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.